Hi, I want to introduce a Fruity Cat, a bubble shooter game with more than 700 levels. When you open the app, you see this cute your Tamagotchi cat. Uh, uh, while playing, uh, while playing the levels, you have more than 20 different mechanics, different types of bubbles. Something like you can see the iron bubbles, the bubbles with switching a color, and much more. Uh, when you're finishing the level, you are receiving the stars and fruits. So, while watching how the cat is dancing, he's really cute. You're receiving the stars and fruits. The stars will help you to open the presents with the chest with presents, and the fruits are used to feed your Tamagotchi cat. Uh, I think this game is uh, uh, really same as popular bubble shooter games like Bubble Witch Saga and Panda Pop, but we made several switches and added new mechanics, new boosters, and new types of bubbles. Uh, so currently we had uh, great retention parameters. It's something like 40% for first day and more than 10 for the 30 uh, day. And as I said, there are about 700 levels in this release, and this number will grow to 900 still merge. Uh, this game is created by indie developer from Russia. Uh, so I think you can try it, and I think I showed mostly all functionality. Also, we have uh, available friends requests. This game is localized for English, Russian, Spanish, Deutsch, Norwegian, Danish, French, Swedish, and Italian. Thanks for listening. Bye.